If you traveled for Thanksgiving and did not follow coronavirus safety guidelines, we've got a few more days before a test can show if you did or did not catch the virus. WAY 31's Bridget Divers spoke to an infectious disease expert about what you can do to keep yourself and others safe until you know. Bridget?
Dan, it's been 4 days since Thanksgiving, and if you think you contracted the virus, you should avoid people as much as possible, starting now.
After any exposure, a person should wait for 7 days minimum before they can go ahead and get themselves tested.
Dr. Siddiqui is an infectious disease specialist at Huntsville Hospital, and she says people are more likely to contract the virus around family and friends.
People should be cautious about meeting with family and friends because people tend not to wear their mask and tend not to have social distances when you are among the family and friends. So you do have higher chance of acquisition of infection with family and friends.
If you were exposed to coronavirus over the holiday weekend and you're waiting those 7 days to get tested, you should minimize contact with others.
Ideally, they should be not going to big gatherings, and whenever they go out or to people who were not in big gatherings, they should avoid the contact.
On average, the Huntsville hospital system is conducting 600 coronavirus tests a day, but on the weekends, coronavirus testing slows down.
Over the weekends, it's a little bit slow because of our fever and flu clinic on the Governor's Drive is closed, so we have less number of tests that we need to run.
Doctors and nurses are expecting coronavirus cases to rise over the next 2 weeks because of those Thanksgiving gatherings. And they've been seeing a rise in cases after holidays and big social gatherings over the course of the pandemic. Live in Huntsville, Bridget Divers, WAY 31 News.
Thanks, Bridget. And we know more than 1.1 million people went through airport security yesterday. That's the most since the pandemic began. You can do your part to help stop the spread of coronavirus by wearing your masks, social distancing, and washing your hands.